guys, welcome back. So in today's video, as you can see, the house is a mess, an absolute disaster, but we're gonna get that together. So today is gonna be kind of like it's gonna be kind of like a Sunday reset routine. So Malachi started full-time school, which kind of means like I just want to make sure that my days are structured for sure now, because I have more time, but I want to use my time more effectively. So I don't want to be kind of like doing the things I could be doing today, tomorrow while he's at school, when I can be getting other things done. So I just wanted to kind of get off to a head start. So I just felt inspired really to share this or to just kind of film today. So I turned the camera on and I just hit record. Okay, so I hope that something that you see in this video inspires you to, you know, maybe implement a Sunday reset routine yourself. I wrote down a list of things that I really want to make sure get done today. So here is that list a little bit. So I made this list. I just have these like laminated sheets. And this is just like a daily planner. I just kind of wrote it. It's like kind of like a scratch piece of paper, but I didn't have no paper, but I had these. So I just used this that I have really quick. So the things that I want to get accomplished today. I have my bedroom, wash, fold, put away the laundry. You got to put all three because otherwise whatever I put on here is what will get done. Meal plan for the week, clean the kitchen, finish and send the grocery list to Malcolm. Y'all, I have decided to resign from grocery shopping. Such a long story, but I'm just over it. I'm just over it's not a fun time for me, whether we go as a family, whether I go by myself, whether it's just me and Malachi, whether it's just me and Malcolm. It's just not a fun time for me. And he just does not want me to have the groceries. He doesn't like the grocery pickup service. So he offered to do it. So I said, well, hey, you can do it, but you know, just anyway. So strip the guest bedroom, the living room, clean up the living room, plan for the week. I put a question mark right here because I might do that tomorrow instead of today. Like I don't want to put too much on my plate. Meal planning is already going to take a lot. And then trying to get Malachi's hair done is going to be a lot. So I just want to get all this stuff done. So Malcolm actually went off to church. I'm going to take you guys back in here. And we're going to start in my bedroom because I feel like that's like, if I get my bedroom done, I feel super accomplished. Like stuff is everywhere. Just, this is like become like the hub because this is where I spend a lot of my time these days. I know all that junk is behind me, but anyway, just try to ignore it. So, anyway, Malcolm went off to church. This is his first service back since everything happened with me medically. And I wanted to go, but I just wasn't like prepared to go, if that makes sense. Like I did make it a goal to go back to church before the end of the month. So I will try to go. I'm going to try to go next week. So yeah, so we're just going to go ahead and get started. I'm kind of like, you know, time lapse a little bit. I don't want to make this too long, but I just want to get some things done around here. And my goal is to have everything done before Malcolm gets out of church, which is 2 hours from now. But we're actually going to turn the service on to watch it on TV. And yeah, we're just going to go from there. So stay tuned, you guys. We're going to get it today. So church might be a little bit shorter today because we have a guest pastor preaching. So I might, instead of having 2 hours, I might only have like an hour and a half. But we're going to see how much I can get done before he gets out of church. And I'm going to send him the grocery list. So that buys me a little bit more time, but still. All right, guys, so as you can see, I'm just really trying to get on top of this laundry. It is absolutely everywhere. We have every single thing dirty, it seems. And so I'm just putting a load of laundry in here. And so you guys, we actually use Arm & Hammer laundry soap and Downy fabric softener. But you guys, if you have any better recommendation, I am so in the business for new products. So please let me know down in the comments below. And then of course we resume with making the bed because I just believe like a made bed is just such an inviting space. Like it just speaks of clean. And then I just really had to put him in here. He was just being so sweet in this one moment. and I just really wanted to capture that. You guys, I don't know what is wrong with these lamps. It is time for some new ones, but I was just kind of fixing it really quick, or really trying to. And here we go, back to the laundry. More sheets and blankets and towels and clothes and everything in between. And so I made my way to my son's room, and I'm just putting away his clothes and really doing what should have been done a long time ago, getting him ready for the week. All right, guys, so I'm back. I'm hoping that this audio is better. I hooked up my external mic. I forgot to do that last time in my last couple of videos, but hey, you just get 1% better every time, right? Anyway, so I have the grocery list mostly done. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to send it over to Malcolm, and I'm watching the service online, and he's actually like about to do the benediction now, or like they're doing altar calls. So he's done preaching and they're doing altar call. So I'm just going to write everything that I wrote down here in our little notes app that we share, and so that way Malcolm can like make edits to it. I'm hoping that he just goes after he gets out of church. I told him that he was gonna have to go at some point this weekend, so I'm hoping that that he just goes straight after church. So I'm just writing down everything that I sent him, or that I wrote down. I'm just sending it to him. Then I'll update you guys on how much progress I've made in an hour and a half. All right, so I just finished the grocery list. I sent it over to him. Well, it's kind of in our shared notes. I sent it over to him. So now I'm gonna take you guys, my battery is blinking at me, so before it dies, I'm gonna take you guys and show you guys the progress that I've made, and kind of go on my list here. So we have my bedroom was on here. So I got most of it done. I'll show you in a second. I got most of the bedroom done. Wash, fold, put away, laundry, I got almost all of that done except for what's washing and drying right now. And I'll do the kitchen while he's at the grocery store, because I know he's gonna call me 1,000 times. So stay tuned, guys. I think I'm gonna change my battery out because I'm not done filming yet. A super quick view of our guest bedroom. I'm just stripping down the sheets just to make sure that they get washed. We had company over, so I just wanted to make sure I put a fresh set of linen on there. Hi guys, so it is actually a few hours later. Your girl got tired, okay? So I sat down and finished the rest of the things, basically sitting down. I did laundry and then I came and sat down. I did one or two things, then I kind of sat down. But I just finished. Malcolm got home with the groceries. He got everything on the list, and then a couple things for himself. And then I actually cooked dinner. We had beef and broccoli today. It was so good. I will leave the recipe where I got it from, link down below. So good. And then he is actually, I know you probably hear the vacuum cleaner out there. He's actually cleaning up the living room, because I was gonna wait till tomorrow to do the living room because I'm just so tired. So but he's going ahead and do it. I didn't have to say anything at all. So the only thing that did not get done in this video is the kitchen, but I'm actually about to go ahead and handle that. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Not supposed to be a super in-depth video of like one particular space, but just kind of like an overview of all the spaces. So thank you guys so much for watching, and you guys will see me in my next video. Bye. Bless you. It did not look safe. But if you say so, son.